So here in this question, we are provided with a matrix A, which is of the order 3 by 3, and the matrix equation is given. So using this two information, we need to figure out what's the value of K. So let's begin by first finding out what will be the value of A squared. So A squared is simply going to be A multiplied to itself. So let's take the matrix A and then multiply it to itself. So this is a matrix. So this should give us 1 times 1 is 1 plus 0 plus 4. So what you have done, I have taken the elements of the first row of the first matrix and multiplied it to the elements of the first column of the second matrix. So we'll follow this method for all of them. So this next entry will be 1 times 0 is 0 plus 0 plus 0. And we have 1 times 2, 2 plus 0 plus 6. And we have 0 plus 0 plus 2. And we have 0 plus 4 plus 0. And we have times 2 is 0 plus 2 times 1 plus 1 times 3. And finally 2 times 1 plus 0 times 0 plus 3 times 2. Then 2 times 0 plus 0 times 2 plus 3 times 0. 2 times 2 plus 0 times 1 plus 3 times 3. So we have the value of A squared here. So which is going to be equals to 4 plus 1 is 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8, 0, 13. So we have the value of A squared here. Now that we have A squared, so we can find out the value of A cubed. So let me copy this value of A squared. And then we will find out the value of A cubed. So A cubed is simply going to be A squared times A. So we have A cubed. And then we take the value of A squared. So A squared is, we copy this. This is A. So we'll find out the product of A squared and here that will give us the value of A cubed. So following the same algorithm for multiplication, so 5 times 1 plus 0 plus 8 times 2. Then we have 5 times 0 plus 0 times 2 plus 8 times 0. 5 times 2 plus 0 times 1 plus 8 times 3. Then 2 times 1 plus 4 times 0 plus 5 times 2. Then we have 2 times 0 plus 4 times 2 plus 5 times 0. 2 times 2 plus 4 times 1 plus 5 times 3. 8 times 1 plus 0 times 0 plus 13 times 2. 8 times 0 plus 0 times 0 plus 13 times 0. 8 times 2 plus 0 times 1 plus 13 times 3 is 39. So let's add those entries and this will give us 21, 0, 34. 12, 8, 23, 26, 34, 0, 5, 4. Yeah, this is 55. So now we have the value of A cubed as well. What we're going to do, we're going to plug in the values of A cubed and A squared into our matrix equation. So let's copy this equation and scroll down. We'll have equation here and let's pick the value of A cubed first. Well, we have A cubed minus of 6 A squared. So we need the value of A squared. So this is A squared here So let's copy this one as well. This will be our a squared plus 7 of a. So our a was, this is the value of a. So we have a here plus k times the identity matrix. K times the identity matrix of order 3 will be 1 0 0, 0 1 0, and 0 0 1. So this will be equals to the 0 matrix. So let's write it as 0 for the time being. Then we multiply this scalar. So first one remains the same, minus of 30 0 48. 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 4 is 24, 6 times 5 is 30, 6 times 8 is 48, 6 times 0 0, 6 times 3 is 6, 3 18, 1 carry over, 6 times 1 6, 7, so this is 78 plus 7 0 14, 0 14 7, 14 0 21 plus k 0 0 0 k 0 and 0 0 k. This is equals to the 0 matrix. So finally let's add and subtract. So we'll have 21 minus 30 plus 7 plus k. All the entries are 0, so this will be simply 0. Then we have 34 minus 48 plus 14 and 0. And we have 12 minus 12. Next entry will be 8 minus 24 plus 14 plus k. And we have 23 minus 30 plus 7. We have 34 minus 48 plus 14, and all the entries are 0, so this will simply be 0. Then we have finally 55 minus 78 plus 21 plus k. This is equals to the 0 matrix. Let's do the final manipulation. So 7 plus 21 is 28, 28 minus 30 is negative 2, so we'll be left with k minus 2. Then next entry will be 0. Then 34 plus 14 is 48, 48 minus 48 gives us a 0, 12 minus 12 gives us 0, 14 plus 8 gives us a 22, so 22 minus 24 gives us negative 2, so we have k minus 2. 23 plus 7 is 30, 30 minus 30 will give us 0. 34 plus 14 is 48, so 48 minus 48 gives us a 0. Next entry is 0, and the final entry is 55 plus 21 is 76, so we'll be left with k minus 2. So this is equals to the 0 matrix, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So these are the two equal matrices, so we can equate any one of the entries. So we'll get k minus 2 equals to 0, so this gives us k is equals to 10.